Welcome to How to Become AI Ready, Part 3. We have been discussing about tokens, context window. Today we are going to see what tools are and how it's helpful in your AI journey. So, what are tools? Tools are nothing but functions or microservices or a piece of software which could help to do a task. So, the AI can call external tools or functions via APIs to do real tasks, not just generate text. Where you're conversing with ChatGPT just to text and get the response. Rather, the functions can be used to do and complete a task. For example, book a flight, check the weather of my city, or order a book via an e-commerce website. So think of it like the AI saying, I'll check this for you by using the tool or by calling that microservices via API. So today I'm going to show you in a demo how to check the weather in my city and how does it work. So it works with real-time data, weather generator with actual API calls to Open Meteor. That's actually a weather generator, which we are going to call that API and get the real time weather. Geocoding integration. This app now automatically resolves city names to latitude and longitude coordinates to fetch the precise weather data. Weather code mapping. We also have implemented a comprehensive mapping for weather codes and conditions into human readable format like clear sky, partly cloudy, thunderstorm, like that. And we also added a robust error handling mechanism. If at all the city cannot be fetched, weather cannot be fetched, how do we handle those kinds of errors? I'm gonna explain or show you how function calling works with a simple demo. So I've created an AI weather agent. So what this agent does, it calls an external tool called Open Meteor. It's an uh, open source tool which can be called via the API. This can be called to fetch the real-time weather data. So this AI agent, what does it do? It gets the city name. As you could see, it gets the weather data by getting the city name from the user and get other details like temperature, condition, humidity, wind speed. It also, we have defined map weather code to make sure that the weather codes are mapped to human readable format. For example, code 0 is clear sky, less than equal to 3 partly cloudy. Similarly, we have other codes for foggy, drizzle, rainy, and snowy, and stuff like that. So we are initiating here get weather. How are we getting the weather? By calling this the geocoding API openmeteor.com. So this fetches the real-time weather data, and we also have the error handling scenarios. For example, weather data is not current, could not fetch the weather for the city. Similarly, we have other catch error scenarios when the city name couldn't be found or the weather couldn't be fetched. So this is a simple AI agent. By calling the function or tool via the API Open Meteor, we are getting the real-time weather data. So I'm gonna quickly show the demo. So we're the agent AI powered meteorological insights. So I'm gonna say London. So, how the weather agent is going to fetch the real time weather data for the city given London. Ta-da! So, London is partly cloudy, 16 degrees Celsius, humidity is 61%, wind speed is 10 km per hour. The agent analysis is the weather in London is currently 16 degrees Celsius and partly cloudy with 61% humidity and wind speed of 10 km per hour. So, likewise, we can leverage the function calling to get our agent not just conversational agent or chatting stuff like that, rather really get things done, complete a task by calling external functions and tools. So this is a very helpful functionality. Please make use of it. And this is just an example AI by the agent. You can build many other apps with function calling, where you can order a book via e-commerce website, book for an event, and many other scenarios, which is very helpful. I hope you really like this demo and get to